Hello Libra, welcome to your monthly reading. This is your October monthly reading for your love and relationship. So Libra, hindi lahat ng Libra maka-resonate dito. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Cross watchers, pwedeng kayo at hindi sila Libra. So put yourself in a situation kung saan kayo naka-resonate Libra. Okay, so kung hindi kayo naka-resonate sa reading na to Libra, please do check your other placement, your sun, your moon, your rising, your Venus sign, dahil pwedeng doon kayo maka-resonate. Kahit naka-resonate kayo sa reading na to, so do check your other placement, your sun, your moon, your rising, your Venus sign, dahil pwedeng mag-connect doon yung reading nyo. However, maka-resonate pa din kayo. Okay? So, Libra, I just wanted to say for September Libra people, happy birthday and advance happy birthday sa mga Octoberian Libra people. Okay, so let's start Libra. Ano yung kailangan nyong malaman this month of October? I hope this reading for Libra is good as the reading of Virgo sign. Okay, ang ganda ng reading ng Virgo. If you have a Virgo in your chart, please do check the Virgo. Panoorin nyo. So, anyway, let's start. Anong nangyayari ng ngayon sa inyong Libra? Sa relationship niyo? What is happening right now? Libra. Oh, King and Queen of Wands. Libra, might be malakas yung fire sign sa chart mo, Libra. Merong new beginning dito sa inyo dalawa ng person. You are very compatible with your person talaga. King and Queen of Wands is here. Ang ganda ng bonding ninyo dalawa dito. You can call this soulmate, pwede ding twin flame. Okay? Great bonding ang meron sa inyo. Pareho, madami kayong kapareho sa mga gusto ninyo sa buhay. Even personalities. I can see also here sa situation ninyo ngayon, Libra, is like meron sa inyo ngayong nakafocus kayo sa inyo, sa relasyon ninyo ngayon. Give and take. Meron ako nakikita dito. New beginning. Sa ngayon, kakabalikan nyo pa din nito. So, please do check the Virgo. Baka makarelate din kayo doon or makonect yung video na to. I mean, yung reading na to doon kay Virgo. So, or connected to doon, okay? Kakabalikan nyo pa lang ng person na to. I think, hinahanap-hanap nyo isa't isa nung time na hiwalay kayo. So, there is a betrayal sa nangyari sa inyo. But, this person move forward towards you again. To come back to you again. Okay? Alam niya yun actually. Alam niya yun na babalik at babalik siya sa'yo. Kaya bumalik talaga siya. Kaya ngayon, merong new beginning sa inyong dalawa. Parang, nagpo-focus kayo sa isa't isa ngayon. Sa relasyon na meron kayo ngayon. Nababalansin ninyo ulit yung connection ninyo ngayon, Libra. So, what happened recently or what happened before? What happened recently, Libra? Okay, so you have been waiting for this person talaga to offer you a victory. Okay. So, naghiwalay talaga kayo dati. Kasi nga ngayon lang kayo nagkabalikan ng person mo. Naging single ka pala recently talaga. And you are waiting for this person to come back to offer you victory again. So medyo this story is like, meron ng hiwalayan sa inyo. Kasi, recently, ito yung nangyayari, hiwalay na kayo. And naging single ka, nag-focus ka sa sarili mo, pero naghihintay ka pa din sa taong ito na bumalik to offer you a victory. Goes together, okay, yung pagbabago at hindi na aalis sa buhay mo. Pero nakikita ko dito, merong confusion about you. This person has an ex-family. An ex-wife might be. Kaya merong confusion sa'yo kung babalik pa ba siya or hindi na. Kasi meron, hindi naman sa nakita ko dito na binalikan niya to. Parang alam mo na meron siyang past. Yun. Somebody walk away emotionally here because of you thought of parang gusto, baka siya ba to na depende kung saan kayo naka-resonate, okay? Na gustong ayusin yung buhay niya, itatry ayusin yung buhay niya kung maayos pa with that ex. And parang nag-give way ka dito before. This is in the past. So, kasi yun, wala akong nakikitang problem dito sa'yo, pero naghintay ka pa din sa taong ito na bumalik. Naghintay ka, you accepted, pero you have been waited for this person. Until this time, bumalik talaga siya. Nagkaroon kayo ng new beginning. Because you are very connected to each other. Like the King and Queen of Wands is very connected to each other. Okay, got it. So, parang merong plans dito. Ang nagkukuha ko dito, Libra, yung person mo, parang nag-giveaway ka, sige, itry mong ayusin kung kaya mong ayusin. Kung hindi mo na kayang ayusin, I'm just here waiting for you. Kaya bumalik siya, you accept this person again. So, ano yung feeling ng person mo ngayon? What is the feeling? Sorry about that. Baka may magsabi na naman na matagal ako mag-shuffle. Okay. Decided na talaga siya. Nung time kasi na naghiwalay kayo, Libra, madami din kayong pinagdaan. Medyo matagal din kayo ng person na to, Libra. Medyo nung time na naghiwalay kayo, hindi siya nakakatulog sa gabi talaga. So, kaya nakapag-decide talaga siya dito na ayusin yung relationship ninyo. And, feeling ko dito sa inyo, Libra, hindi kayo yung mga bago-bago lang eh. Feeling ko, meron din kayong commitment na ng person na to. It's just like, meron lang nauna talaga sa'yo before. This is from his past or her past. Not that nag-give way ka din na sige, ayusin mo kung kaya mo, parang ganun. Kasi madami na din kayo pinagdaanan ng taong ito eh. Nung time na nakaramdam talaga siya ng cold, emptiness. And he really or she really wanted to come back to you na ayusin yung mga dapat ayusin sa iyo, na mabalik kayo sa dati. Kaya nag-move forward talaga siya towards with you. Kahit pa sabihin natin na na-betrayed ka niya. Kasi hindi siya nakatulog sa gabi thinking about you. Wanted to come back to you. And ikaw talaga yung gusto niya makasama to build a family, to be with him or her. Na kaya nag-decide talaga siya dito. And this is it. In this present situation, nangyari siya. So, what is your feeling here, Libra? You might be dealing with an Aries, Sagittarius, Leo, Libra, Gemini, Aquarius. Libra sign ang mas same Libra baka kayo. Aquarius is here. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. Ramdam mo naman yung pagmamahal niya sa'yo, Libra. Or, mahal mo talaga itong person na to. This is what you feel. You are open to receive this person and you are willing to accept this person back into your life because you love this person unconditionally. Kahit King of Cups to, it could be a queen or it could be a woman kasi this is a for every Libra out there, collective to. Hindi to siya hindi siya personal reading. Okay, so this could be you. And you still believe that itong person na to, babalik talaga sa'yo. Ramdam nyo pareho yun. Kaya you never give up. Naghintay ka talaga kahit napagod ka. Willing ka to take the leap of faith. Bahala na ako nung mangyari. Willing ako to fight our relationship back. Kahit pa na napunta na kayo sa point of stress, okay? Madami pa din na pumapasok sa isipan mo. Hindi mo maano yun kasi you are Libra, you are in air signs. Papasok to sa isipan mo, nag-overthink ka talaga. But nakikita ko naman kasi dito, sometimes you feel like hindi mo na-appreciate, sometimes you feel like tatanggapin ko ba ulit? Babalik pa ba siya ulit? Lolokohin niya ba ako ulit? Or, will I going to continue to my healing process? Or, should I be happy sa mga nangyayari? Kasi, I can sense happy naman, nagmamahalan naman kayo. Pero, ang nakikita ko kasi dito, Libra, you don't have the freedom to get married. You don't have the freedom to an official relationship talaga. Ito yung kina-overthink mo dito. Kasi nandito yung 9 of Cups. Kasi 9 of Cups considered to be proud of you. This is what you want and this is what you don't feel. Ito yung parang you don't appreciate. Sometimes, nagtatalo talaga kayo nito, pero nagmamahalan naman kayo. Kung kailan siya maging proud sa'yo talaga, like publicly. And this is what you feel. Okay? So, what will going to happen this month of October, Libra? Okay, Libra. Your intuition, malakas. Baka may water sign sa chart mo dito, Libra. Okay, especially in your moon sign, malakas yung intuition mo. Hindi ka na kasi inosente sa mga nangyayari dito, Libra. You love this person, you are in a relationship, nagmamahalan kayo, yes. This October, you are still there. Pero meron kasi talaga sa'yo na unsureness and you are observing talaga. Palagi kang nag-spy, palagi kang naghahanap ng mga proof kung lulukohin ka pa ba talaga niya or hindi na. Okay? You are looking for a proof kung totoo na ba talaga siya sa'yo or mawawasak din kayo one day. Yung trust mo dito parang medyo humina na. Okay? Andun ka sa point of you are like waiting. Ano kaya yung next na mangyayari sa amin? Parang ganon. Kasi we've been there. And we are happy right now. We are in love again. So, ano kaya yung mangyayari next? So, you are nagiging smart enough ka dito. Parang to gather information, to observe your relationship, your person even. Kasi parang na dun ka sa point na ayaw mo na kasing matrap, ayaw mo na makaramdam ng emptiness, coldness. And this coming October, parang it feels para sa'yo, it feels so right. And ano kaya yung magiging mangyari nito after? So, ayaw mo makaramdam ng confidence sa sitwasyon na ganito na ikaw na talaga or what. Lalo na pag hindi pa talaga kayo officially, publicly na together, na meron pa kahit papano, kahit nagkabalikan na kayo, meron pa din talagang alam mo, meron pa ding hahadlang. This month of October, ganito yung pwedeng mangyari. So, let's see more about the outcome of this. Libra sign, I can see here that yung person mo, alam niya naman itong mga hinaing mo. Alam niya to, and he's doing something about this. Alam niya to, hindi naman din siya masaya sa mga ganito eh. Alam niya na gusto niya din nabigyan ka ng maging proud siya sa'yo publicly, in front of everyone. Ito yung gusto mo eh. Part of the Libra personality. Gusto niyang gawin yun, and I think in the near future mangyayari yun. Kasi I can see, ang problema kasi dito, if this person has an ex and hindi pa sila to officially separated talaga, divorce or annulled, ito yung magiging problema sa inyo kahit pa kayo na yung nagsasama dalawa. Okay? Pero alam nyo ng person mo na iniisip niya yon, and hindi din siya masaya sa mga nangyari. Even ikaw, hindi ka din masaya. So, dito kayo magkakaroon ng problem about this in the near future. For the outcome of this, medyo magiging stressful to, mabigat to. And you really want the justice here na para sa'yo hindi ka kontento. Kahit may kayo ng dalawa, hindi ka pa din kontento na kayo lang dalawa, gusto mo akuin talaga siya. So, ito yung pwede mangyari in the near future. Pero, there's a hope, Libra. Yung mga hinihintay mo, merong hope dito. But hindi siya madali na mangyari. Hindi talaga siya madali. I didn't see, there is a new beginning. Gagawin to ng person mo, gagawa talaga siya ng action dito to prove you that he love you. Pero hindi siya madali para mangyari. So, let's see. I'm going to pull an oracle card for you, Libra. This is an angel answer. A message from your angels oracle card. So, pwede itong makonect sa reading mo. Pwede din naman. An angel just wanted to send you a message. This is from Angel Teresa. Okay. Time out. You've been so busy taking care of everyone else's needs. But now, it's time to stop and take care of yourself. So, ito yung obviously napaka-clear ng message ni Angel Teresa here. Okay? You need a time out, Libra. You've been so busy taking care of everyone else's needs. But now, it's time to stop and take care of yourself because it's your month, Libra. It's either your birthday today, it's either almost ka na magbe-birthday, so you need the rest because this is your month. This is the Libra month. And as well as on October, Libra month pa din yun. So, yon. Thank you, Libra, and God bless.